When it comes to choosing the best toilet for your bathroom, it's not just about looks, it's about performance, comfort, and sustainability. With so many options out there, how do you know which brand truly delivers? Toto stands out as a leader in innovative bathroom technology, but how does it compare to its competitors, like Kohler and American Standard? Let's dive into the key features that set Toto apart, and where other brands might offer similar or different value. 1. Water efficiency. Toto is known for its impressive water-saving features, particularly its dual flush system. This technology allows you to save up to 35% of water usage by offering 2 flush options, depending on the waste. Combine that with the Tornado flush system, designed for maximum efficiency and a powerful yet water-conscious flush, and Toto makes a strong case for eco-conscious consumers. When compared to its competitors, Kohler also offers dual flush systems, but the flush performance tends to be less consistent than Toto's. American Standard also promotes water efficiency, but it doesn't quite match Toto's advanced flushing technology, which is specifically designed to maximize coverage and cleanliness with each flush. Overall, Toto leads the charge in sustainable bathroom technology, making it a top choice for eco-minded consumers. 2. Design and aesthetics. Toto toilets excel in sleek, minimalist design. Their toilets seamlessly fit into modern bathrooms, offering both elegance and functionality. Whether you opt for a basic model or one equipped with high-end features like heated seats or bidet functionality, Toto ensures their toilets look as good as they perform. With a variety of models available, you're sure to find a design that complements your space. While Kohler offers a wider variety of designs, including more ornate and decorative styles, it can feel less streamlined compared to Toto's clean, modern aesthetic. American Standard offers solid, durable designs, but lacks the luxury appeal and advanced options that Toto and Kohler bring to the table. If a clean, minimalist look is what you're after, Toto is the way to go. 3. Comfort and innovative features. Toto is all about luxury and convenience, particularly with its comfort features. Their heated seats are a game changer, especially in colder climates, ensuring a cozy experience. The automatic lid adds another layer of convenience, not only offering a touchless experience but also promoting hygiene by reducing contact with germs. Toto's self-cleaning technology is one of the most advanced in the industry, meaning less maintenance for you. Additionally, high-end models come with bidet functions, which are perfect for those looking for a more sophisticated, spa-like experience. Kohler also offers features like heated seats and touchless flushing, but its self-cleaning systems don't match the effectiveness of Toto's. American Standard, while comfortable with ergonomic designs, lacks the high-end options like bidets or automatic lids that are central to Toto's appeal. If comfort is a priority, Toto's luxurious features are hard to beat. 4. Durability. Durability is where Toto really shines. Built with high-quality vitreous china, Toto toilets are designed to stand the test of time. The materials they use ensure long-lasting performance, and their build quality is unmatched. When you invest in a Toto toilet, you can expect fewer repairs, making it a smart, long-term investment. Kohler also produces durable products, but some of their models are prone to more frequent wear and tear compared to Toto. American Standard offers decent durability, but doesn't have the same high-performance materials and overall longevity that Toto delivers. If you're looking for a toilet that can handle the demands of a busy household for years to come, Toto's superior construction gives it a clear edge. 5. Price. Toto toilets come with a higher price tag, especially for models with advanced features like bidets, heated seats, and self-cleaning technology. However, this investment pays off over time with reduced maintenance costs and water savings. You're not just paying for the toilet, you're investing in a system that lasts and saves. In comparison, Kohler offers a wider range of options at different price points, with some more affordable models available. However, they don't always offer the same premium features or water-saving efficiency as Toto. American Standard is generally the most budget-friendly choice, but with that lower price point comes fewer high-end features and less advanced technology. For those who are willing to invest in long-term quality, Toto's higher upfront cost offers greater value over time. So, which toilet should you choose? If you're looking for superior water efficiency, luxurious comfort, cutting-edge design, and long-lasting durability, Toto is the standout brand. However, if budget is a major consideration, or if you prefer more decorative styles, Kohler or American Standard might be a better fit for you.